Hello all, I am Sujay Kumaran working as an assistant manager in Sim Technologies Private Limited. 3D Experience is a platform-based solution which gives access to set of applications. Every job position receives their own personalized package called roles. The set of application is collectively known as roles. These apps will allow you to design, simulate, inform, and collaborate. With 3D Experience, everything is stored in cloud, which means you can never lose anything. Anyone in your organization will access the latest version of the file at any time with total security. So, with 3D Experience, you can work from anywhere, anytime, and any device. It provides your organization a holistic, real-time view of your business activity and ecosystem, connecting people's ideas, data, and solutions together in a single environment. It also includes project management tools which will help each individual and share their agenda and project status.
3D Experience Draftsight is a role which is available in 3D Experience platform, the same old desktop Draftsight with inbuilt Innovia functionalities is launched as 3D Experience Draftsight. In simple words, Draftsight can replace your existing 2D CAD software without having much difference in the interface or tool. To know more about desktop Draftsight, you can check the previous video. Now let's see what are the additional benefits we get in 3D Experience Draftsight. Now let me open a drawing. Let's look at 3D Experience taskpan in the right side of the screen. Once we open the drawing, the platform will automatically recognize the drawing that we are working with. 3D Experience will provide the title of the drawing, current status of the drawing. In this case, it is not synced with the 3D Experience platform with the revision that we are working with, and also whether we are working with the latest version which is available on the cloud. Let me show you some tools which is available to manage the drawings. Open option, yes, you can open the drawing directly from the platform to the Draftsight, and save option will save the drawings to the platform. Save with the option will give you some additional option to save to the platform, like adding a revision manually and commenting on it, so such things. Lock, so we can lock the file, so we can make sure that no other user can work on the same file. Unlock option, so after modification you can unlock the file so the other user can lock it and do the modification if they required. So reload from server, so we can make sure that we work on the latest version of the file by reloading the file from the server. Maturity options, we have a inbuilt workflow with the 3D Experience Draftsight, so you can control the maturity of the drawings. Revisions, you can create a new revision for the drawing through the Draftsight interface. So first let's save the drawing so it will be available in the platform. The drawing is automatically synced, always available to all other users, and we can see the status of the drawing is updated automatically and the file is not locked. So anyone in your organization can lock the file and do the required modifications. So with the inbuilt maturity functionalities, let me change the state from in work to release, so the unnecessary modifications can be avoided. So let me move from in work to release. So once the drawing is released, the maturity status will be updated, and now let me do a small modification. I'm just changing a layer of the dimension lines. And I'm just saving the file now. So 3D Experience, since the drawing is in released state, 3D Experience will not allow to overwrite the file. I need to create a new revision here. So I can just click the new revision. I can save the file now. So it automatically creates a new revision from A1 to B1. So whenever we required, we can just replace by revision, and we can go to our old revision, and we can take what is the modification that we have done. So with this inbuilt Innovia functionality, you can collaborate the drawings with your team, and you can manage your revisions, and with a lot of permission things.